So in this video, I'm going to show you a great app called SnapPrefs. So it's an app that basically allows you to add tons of customizations to your Snapchat, like custom filters, custom Instagram filters. You can automatically save pictures and more stuff like that. It's pretty cool. So let's check this out. Okay, so the requirements for using this app are that you need to be rooted and you need to have installed Xposed Installer. I'll link you down a video below, a video that I made, and a more updated version of it, which will explain how to use it with Snapchat. But that's what you're gonna need if you want to use this app. So now let's get into this video. So first of all, you're gonna want to open Xposed Installer. After you installed it, go to download and then search for SnapPrefs. So you should find it here. Then you want to go into versions and download the latest version. So I already downloaded it, so then install. Then when it's installed, you want to click done, and you're gonna need to reboot actually. So you're gonna reboot your phone and wait for it to restart. Activate and reboot actually. So then when your phone starts back, you can go to your app drawer and find SnapPrefs. So you can open it up and you'll get a little changelog. So you can go into settings and you can customize things, like I'm gonna remove these settings and add some. So then there's plenty of stuff to do. You can really explore here, like you're free to do whatever you want. So you see I can put unlimited captions, regular captions, yeah. Put that to unlimited. Yeah. So then you can go into saving. You can sweep to save because it eats up a lot of memory when you save everything. So yeah. You can also activate a mode to share pictures, so sharing settings, and you also have speed spoofing and weather spoofing, which I'm gonna activate. And then there's plenty of settings, stealth viewing, and it allows you to view Snap as many times as you want. So, and then you have visual filters, which are really cool. So it's basically a bunch of Instagram filters that you have on your Snapchat. But don't install too many, because then it starts to get a little laggy. But yeah, it's pretty cool. So I'm gonna just download them, and then I'm gonna actually manage the visual filters, so I'll only put one just for the example. So then I can open up Snapchat, and in here let's just take a picture of my feet. Yeah. So here you can see there's all the settings, and it's where you can spoof them. So I can just enter temperature value. I'll try. Let's put 900 degrees. And actually you need to restart the app for it to work. So yeah, and here you can spoof the speed and the location, which doesn't really work all the time. And this is custom filter, something that I'll show to you later. And there's the custom filter from Instagram. So yeah, it didn't work. So then yeah, I just restart the app, and when you open it back up, I take a picture. Here, as you can see, 900 degrees. So then you also have custom drawings, so you can basically do any shape, any color, any type of fading. You can do pretty much anything on there. It's pretty cool. You can change the opacity, you can change the size of the pencil that draws. And yeah, you can get pretty crazy with all the custom things here. It's a lot of fun. Makes people jealous. So then what you can also do is unlimited captions, and I didn't showcase it here. You can also share pictures that you have already taken, and it automatically crops, and even you can share old videos that you've already saved, which is pretty cool. So here I'm going to showcase the unlimited captions, which is another feature that I use all the time, because you can write as many lines as you want. So yeah, I think this app is really useful, and you can really showcase this to your friends, and you can get pretty original with stuff. I mean, it's really cool. So here I'm gonna show like the sharing. You cannot see it here, but when I sweep, it gives me this little toast notification on the bottom, and it says this video has been saved or this picture has been saved. So here I sweep, and boom, this video has been saved, and I can find it in my files. Okay, so now I'm gonna just look at the custom filters. So you can go online or make them their own. So it needs to be the dimension of your screen, and you can find a bunch of filters here, which are really cool. So let's save this one of The Simpsons, test, and here's SnapPref stops, but it reloads and the filter's there. I don't know why it did that, but sure. So then when I open, Snapchat, and I take a picture, swipe, and boom, here's the filter. So yeah, that's pretty cool. That's really a feature that I like. Okay, so that was it for today's video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was pretty long, but I think it will interest a lot of people. So yeah, see you guys next time.
You could tell my attitude was way different than them dudes trying to rap at you, cause half them dudes would use the same platitudes, thinking this is gonna get the girl.